procession is under the leadership of our senior faculty members along. I welcome you all in 6th Convocation Commission cell. So please take your seats. Please settle down so that. Thank you, sir.
Consideration of religion, nationality, race, party politics, social standings, to intervene between my duty and my passion. Even under threat, and will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I make this. Thank you.
Award winners, the first, second, and third.
सामने देखिएगा सर कैमरे में। ओके।
Position was Jannatul Astar.
यस।
Third position was Samreen Dr. Muhammad Amin. 17 and 18. First prize was Asma Shafiq Dr. Yunus Ali. Third position was Himra Walid Dr. The first position was Sabahat Abbas Dr. Abbas Hussain. The second position was Umer Zohar Dr. Min Mohammad Sunno. Now I call upon the position holders of the second position was Muskan Iqbal Dr.
कैमरा में देखेंगे यार।
Sorry, session 2020-21.
डिग्री मिली है?
Yes.
चला ही नहीं।
No, Sagalay.
2017 and 18, please rise up your seats.
BS Nursing Post-RN Session 2020-21. Department today was we are admitted to this meeting.
Vice Chancellor, People's University of Medical and Health Sciences, Shaheed Benazir Ahmed. I admit you to the degree of Public Health, BS Nursing Session 2018-19, BS Nursing Session 2020-21. Doctors, you to prove yourself worthy of
MS Public Health, MS Physiology, MPhil Physiology, MPhil Biochemistry.
the candidates may now take their seats. Thank you very much.
Dr. Farida Farooq Wagan, Controller Examination, People University of Medical and Health Sciences Intense, as Professor Dr.
Decent. सब बच्चे इस साइड लीजिए.
Dear class, please keep silent and keep your hand like this. In the name of Allah and merciful, I solemnly pledge that I shall abide by the principles laid down in the Code of Medical Ethics of the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. I further make solemn declaration that I consecrate my life to the service of the humanity. profession with conscience, dignity, and fear of God. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are
showcasing the academic expertise and capability of this esteemed university. Gold 22 gold medals for postgraduate degree students. Ladies and gentlemen, in the academy, but also have established a successful collaboration and partnership with a renowned international university. Research. Our university has started 13 projects with a significant funding studies, leading to publication in prestigious 2023. Cultural stakeholder activities. The diverse and qualified faculty, including a substantial number of PhD holders, has played a crucial role in nurturing the minds of 5,000 pillars enrolled students, maintaining the directorate of student affairs. Therefore, my dear students and daughters, I am very pride and joy to see our new grades ready to serve our nation, efforts and commitment to excellence. My dear students, my dear staff, sympathy and income. Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud of my hard work and care. Last but not the least, I express the word of gratitude to the government.
To have a university like this in our province. Our medical universities plays a very pivotal role in producing highly skilled health workers professionals who contribute enormously to the well-being of our society. You students are the best of the best. You have worked hard to reach this level. You are the brightest of all the students in this country. Now, as you are female doctors, I have been the Vice Chancellor at International Medical University for 9 years. The female ratio over there was 87%. It was almost a medical university for female. But all those who got admission was because of the merit that they achieved and the merit that they got to get themselves into the Civil Medical College. But one thing which was very disturbing and is still disturbing today is a large number of students who do not continue with the profession that they had got. More than 50% of youth stop working. As you all are females, I will request you, please do not give up of what we have